Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 33 of this series, and in this episode we are going to talk about ATP training plan, a high level overview or a detailed overview of how the ATP training program will happen. So let's start with the training plan. So we are planning a live training via Zoom, which will be provided as part of the ATP. So everything that needs to be done for the training, right? Everything will happen over Zoom. And if you're not able to attend for some reason, you can go through the recordings. So that's how it's going to be. It will be a live training via Zoom. But we strongly suggest everyone to join the live session to make best utilization of the training, and also it will help resolve all your questions if you are having any questions. So we got everything covered, but still, right, so there might be a lot of unknowns because it's the first time you might be doing an algo trading, so you might have a lot of questions. So if you have any questions, right, the live session will help you to resolve those questions immediately on the go. So I suggest everyone to go for the live session, not for the recordings, because you might get bored of the recordings. If it's a live session, it might be interactive, so I'd suggest you to go with the live session. So yes, the training plan, it will happen through live session in Zoom. Now post training support. After the training, we provide individual support to every single student if they need help in setting up the algo and their machines. So we expect this because most of the trainees that we would be taking up, right, I believe they will be the first time algo traders, so they would definitely need some support to set up everything for the first time. So we accounted for this for at least 1 to 2 hours of support we may need to provide individually for every single trainee. So this will be an individual post training support, so for each and individual trainee, right, so we will help them to set up this algo in their machines. So all this guidance will already be provided as part of the training, but we expect some of the trainees might struggle to do it on their own, and they might need some help, and some machines might have some other issues, or some people may not be the tech savvy to resolve if they run into any unexpected issues. So we have planned to cover those areas as well. So 1 to 2 hours of post training support is what we are planning for every individual trainee. So this will be an individual support. It will not be a grouped one, because everyone's issue might be completely different, right? So this is what we have accounted for. So if there are any technical issues in setting up the algo in your machines, we provide the live support. This might again through Zoom to fix those issues. So we are planning to spend 4 to 6 hours every day, and we are building a dedicated team to do this activity. And now the enrollment order. This post-training support, whatever that I mentioned, right, it will be provided in the order in which the students gets enrolled into this ATP program. So if you enroll early, you can expect to be on the priority list. Anyone who enrolls on the last day will have to wait in case if they have any issues with their setup, or if they have running into any technical issues. So this enrollment order becomes critical. Like I mentioned, right, we are planning to spend 4 to 6 hours every day. So if we are having 100 trainees, right, we expect this to run over for few weeks. And if you have enrolled at the earliest, I mean if you enroll as an early bird, you will get the support on priority, and if you enroll at the last, you'll have to wait until we finish who are enrolled earlier. So I just want to clarify this part. So enrollment order is critical if you want to start immediately. Next is the early bird discount and PTP discount. So if you are already taken up the PTP training from us, you can expect additional discount for ATP. Likewise, people who enroll early, right, so they'll also be provided with discount, because early enrollment will help us plan our support teams better, and it will also unburden us from the overload as well. So they deserve a discount from us. And about the number of batches planned, just 1 batch is planned for this year, and we do not have any further plans for additional batches at this point. So even beyond this year, we may not have additional batches. So for the moment, we are planning for just 1 batch. And regarding the training dates, we are actually still finalizing it. It might take a few more days, and we'll let you know once we have an update. The update will be shared through Telegram channel. So we have shared everything we wanted to share about the ATP so that you can make an informed decision about this particular course, because we don't want people to blindly enroll into the course with different set of expectations, and that's the ultimate reason we came up with this YouTube series, because we want people to make an informed choice. We believe this information that we shared through this particular YouTube series, right, it will help them to make the right choice. So for some people it might suit, for some people it may not, right? So with all this clarity, right, they'll get to know whether this suits them or not. So that's the ultimate reason for this particular YouTube series. So if you are someone who is interested in taking this up, feel free to reach out to us through WhatsApp or Telegram. And like I mentioned earlier, we have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders Program. This is where our Algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you're interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed of our Algo trades on a daily basis on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the invitation for our live sessions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.